Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum against USDT and we are going to see the next price targets and the possible bearish formation. Before we begin, I hope that you are having a fantastic weekend and do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will take easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start with Ethereum against USDT and talk about a possible bearish formation. This doesn't mean that it will happen, but I have to tell you that. So we are drawing this line from this bottom right here all the way and we connect the bottoms. At the same time, we might be having a head and shoulders pattern, right? The left shoulder should be here around, okay? So we are getting into that. And of course we have the head and we are having the right shoulder. Okay, so perhaps we might be getting a head and shoulders pattern along with this bottom trend line, and this bottom trend line is something that we do not want to lose. Okay, this bottom trend line right here for Ethereum in the 4-hour frame. If we lose that, then it means that we have formed a head and shoulders pattern, and therefore the most probable scenario is to go down even further down from the 1.4k. Now, yesterday we talked about that we need to close above the 1.620, okay, to get to the next price target, which could be even to the 1.7k and the 1.8k, and it still exists. Okay, if we close above this line, we can go further higher, but I will be talking about the most possible scenario and how you should protect yourself. First, let's go to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Ethereum against Bitcoin chart still amazes me on how high can it go, right? But eventually it will correct. So this is why I want you to be careful as well. It will correct down even further down than this sats right there, the 0.06485. So you should be extremely careful. Apart from that though, let's go back to Ethereum against USDT chart because I want to talk a little bit about Ethereum against Bitcoin. I do not have anything else to say. Most probable scenario is unfortunately to form the head and shoulders pattern for Ethereum, and therefore to correct even more from here, forming a little bit of a bearish pattern going further down to retest probably for now the bottom trend line right here at the 1.535. Okay, so right here, there we go, 1.535, and maybe we go further lower. Okay, so I would suggest you right here for Ethereum against USDT chart to be extremely careful, as we might be having a head and shoulders pattern, and this 4-hour frame looked very bullish, right? And you would assume that Ethereum should be going higher for sure, but let me tell you that probably we are going to go a little bit further down. I do not think that we have the strength yet, even though the daily frame is looking good, even though we do not have a something hugely bearish. Okay, we had a huge commodity channel index overbought situation, but we still go even higher. But you have to be extremely careful because I think that BTC is going to drop down as well. Now, what are the next support levels for Ethereum? I'm going to tell you the most important support level in which I think Ethereum will be find a very nice buying pressure. Probably the next good buying pressure that Ethereum will have will be around the 1.4k and especially around the 1.323. Okay, around there we are going to have a nice buying pressure again, but it won't be that we are going to make a new higher lows, higher highs. I think that we are going to still form the lower low, lower high formation. Anyway, it will depend on how Bitcoin will be finding a good support level at the 21.7k to 22k again. Okay, so right here, the most important support level of all is for Ethereum, these lines right there. Okay, the 1.267 to 1.255. If we can manage to hold these lines, then I believe that we should be going down here and eventually have a huge buying pressure, maybe going even higher. So I'm pretty excited to see the future of Ethereum, and I'm pretty excited to see the future of when we hold, for example, the 1.255, what the future holds for Ethereum, right? Because therefore, I think that if we go down here and go have a buying pressure, maybe we have already met the all-time low for this bear cycle. Okay, so right now though, I would just avoid trading too much. I would just avoid going into long positions, especially, and I want to protect you from that. If we close above the 1620, next price target 1.7k to between 1.7 and 1.8k. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.